How to score discounts and free entry at water parks and theme parks. Let's go! What's up, wonderful people? Welcome back to our channels where we bring you the best tips and tricks for enjoying fantastic adventures on a budget. Today we have an exciting topic for you: how to get amazing deals for water park or any other theme park. Big discounts or even free. Let's dive in. So before we splash into the main content, make sure you are subscribed to our channels and hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our amazing fun places video, delicious food contents, and even money saving tips. So number one is to sign up their newsletter. Once you identify a few water parks or theme parks, make sure to sign up for their newsletter. Many parks offer an exclusive deals and discount to their subscribers. So by staying in the loop, you'll receive timely notifications about special promotions, early birds offer, or even limited time flash sale. Look out for the subscribe or newsletter sections on their websites, enter your email address, and you are one step closer for an amazing deals. Number two, follow their social media. Social media is a goldmine for finding deals. Follow your favorite water parks on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Water parks often announce exclusive discounts and giveaway throughout their social media channels. So make sure to turn on notifications for their Instagram or any other social media posts so that you'll never miss out on exciting promotions or contests. So engage with their contents, comments, and share their posts to increase your chances of winning the giveaway. Number three, timing is key. Choosing the right time to visit water park or any other theme park can make a big difference in terms of cost. Off-peak periods usually offer more affordable rates compared to weekends or holidays when demand is high. So consider visiting on weekdays, early in the morning or towards the end of the day when crowds tends to be smaller. Some parks also offer discounted rates for evening or twilight sessions, allowing you to enjoy all the rides and slides at a lower cost. For example, if you go to American Dreams websites and hop over to the Nickelodeon's universe, you will see that they are offering Try the Parks After Dark. You will see that both Nickelodeon's and DreamWorks Water Park are offering a great deals and cheaper price compared to their regular admissions. Number four, group discounts and season passes. If you're planning to visit water park or any other park with a group of friends and families, be sure to ask about group discounts. Many parks offer special rates for larger groups, making it a fantastic opportunity to save some cash. Make sure to check their season passes as well. They often provide unlimited access to the park throughout the season and come at significantly reduced price per visit compared to individual tickets. 5. Look for package deal. Sometimes you can find package deals that combines water park tickets with other attractions or amenities. Check with local hotels, resorts, or travel agencies to see if they offer bundle packages. This way you can enjoy a day of water park fun and perhaps even get discounted accommodations or additional perks. 6. Check local deals, websites, and apps. So don't forget to explore local deals websites and mobile apps that offer discounted tickets and vouchers for various attractions, including water parks. Websites like Groupons or Living Social often have an amazing deals on water park admissions, allowing you to save a significant amount of money. 7. Follow influencers and bloggers. Influencers and bloggers often collaborate with water parks to offer exclusive discounts and promotional codes to their followers. So follow popular influencers in the travel or adventures niche or search for water park specific bloggers who may have special deals for you. Their social media posts, blog articles, or YouTube videos may provide you with discounts codes or link to the discounted tickets. This way, you not only get the insider tips, but also save some bucks. 8. Be an influencer yourself. Yes, you heard that right. If you like to make videos, write an article, might as well consider becoming an influencer. Many theme parks are investing lots of money and time to promote their place to attract visitors to their places. Besides promoting their places in TV commercials, YouTube ads, newspaper, they also like to work with local influencers to attract potential visitors. And believe it or not, in this media social era, influencer can attract more audience. This is a great potential and opportunity that you can get free admissions or even get paid for your visit. 9. Attend preview or soft opening days. If a water park or any other theme park is newly opened or have new rides or undergoing any renovations, they often hold preview or soft opening days before the official opening. These events are typically offered at discounted rates, allowing visitors to enjoy the water park while they fine-tune their operations. Keep an eye on Waterpark's websites or their social media for any announcements about these special preview days. It is a fantastic opportunity to explore the park at a reduced cost and be one of the first to experience the new attractions. So there you have it. We have covered everything from researching, signing up for newsletters, explore their social media, and even becoming an influencer. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope this video and tips helps you. And remember, like, to share, and consider to subscribe to our YouTube channels. If you have any questions, don't forget to ask your questions in the comment sections down below. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!